Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm here today with Mr. Ricky. It's been a minute since he was with us. Actually, he was just in our car vlog. It's been almost a year since we talked about tech, and in fact, the last video was us building a PC. And so we decided to do an unboxing on some new tech. We finally got our hands on the Rode Wireless Go 2. It's a new and improved microphone by Rode, and it just came out a couple of weeks ago. FYI, this is not a sponsored video by Rode. We purchased this ourselves, but we'd love to be sponsored by Rode. Ricky's gonna go ahead and unbox this for us today, so you guys can see what comes in the box when you order this thing. Let's begin.
Alrighty.
Ready?
Set.
Go. We have a professional unboxer today, one of the best in United States. So go ahead. So as you guys can see, it takes the force of two hands to be able to open this. Oh wow, we have a bag. Oh nice. So we have a carrying pouch. I'll be reading it as we. We have a USB-C cable. We have another USB-C cable. Oh, we have three because we have three things, huh? We have the cable to connect to your camera. We have the manual. And what's that?
And here are the actual devices itself.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Wow.
I was looking at the wrong camera. I forgot you guys are over there watching us.
Awesome.
Oh, we got the three furry things. The thing that helps block the wind.
And don't forget, you're not supposed to eat this.
That's right. Thanks for reminding everyone.
Yes. Although it may look very yummy, it's not.
So, tell the viewers, why would you get like a wireless mic?
Oh, just look how small this is. It's so much easier to take around if you're, let's say you're in a restaurant and you want to record some like new food that you're trying out. It's more discreet rather than having a big old boom mic, for example. You know, nobody's gonna bring that around. That's just too much of a hassle.
So Ricky, I'm gonna tell you some improvements that Rode has made versus the first one, because you're aware of like the Rode Wireless Go, the first one.
The first one, yes.
So the cool thing about this, first of all, is quite obvious. There's two mics that come with it now. The first one was only one. So that's a really cool plus, because now you can have two people with the same mic. You don't have to buy an extra mic. It has these wind furries, these things that shield the wind. So if you're recording outside, it'll block out most of the sound, or the wind at least. And the issue was with the first one was you'd push it on and it falls off easily, just like that.
Easy.
Oh,
Very
see?
simple.
And then you hold it with you hold it like that and it's not falling off. And so
It's a good improvement.
yeah, twist it off and it's back off. 7 hours of battery life, I think. USB-C, really cool. There's 3 wires as well. I think this is a flat cable now instead of the twisted one or whatever. What is it, coiled?
More durable, easier to handle.
And then let's see. The craziest thing, the coolest part is, so the first one, there was always a chance of it cutting out, like the transmission or whatever. So at times maybe you're talking into the mic, but the connection between the receiver and the transmission cut out. That you're just talking, but it's not actually capturing your audio. That's like a nightmare, especially for content creators, especially like someone recording a wedding, let's say.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But the cool thing about these ones, they have internal recording now. So I think it can record, depending on the format you choose, 7 hours or 24 hours. It's crazy.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so you always have a backup now. And I think they've done a lot of cool improvements on like how far you can go with this, still capture it. But I'm really excited to be able to take this on vlogs, like travel vlogs, or if we want to go to a restaurant, we want to do like a a food review, rather than having a clunky camera
Oh, yeah.
with a big mic, we can go with maybe like a little action camera with this
Oh, yeah.
on our shirt. And so it's more discreet. And also, the cool thing about these two, you can connect this on your phone. You can use it as a mic for your phone. You can connect it on your computer. So it can be like, for Zoom calls, you can have really good audio.
That's a good opportunity to use for, yeah.
And for streamers, can you imagine you don't need that big mic anymore,
Oh,
and
yeah.
you have to talk into the mic? Now you can just have it here.
Easy.
And then maybe have some Bluetooth
Oh,
headphones.
yeah.
So these are brand new, right out of the box. You guys just saw us unbox it. Let's get to the fun part. Let's actually use them. But we'll be right back because we gotta charge these bad boys up first, and then we'll do some actual tests, okay? After 2 hours of charging the the mics, we're finally back, and we finally get to do the fun part, which is testing the microphones out. I'm really excited, but first of all, I want to show you guys what it looks like on a camera. Okay, so imagine this. The receiver would just go on the hot shoe mount. Like so.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, let's say like that, I guess. And then so imagine you're vlogging or you're recording. There's no big mic. It's not gonna attract so much attention to you. So that's pretty cool. Will it completely make me stop using the shotgun mic? No, there's a time and place for each mic. So that's the cool thing. It's more versatile now. But let's go ahead and put this on the current camera. And let's switch audios. Actually, before we do the audio on here, let's do an audio test with no mic at all
Okay.
attached to it, just the internal mic of the camera. So let's switch to it right now. 3, 2, 1. So this is the audio with no microphone attached to it. We're using the camera's internal microphone, so it's probably picking up a lot of sounds around, maybe the fridge behind you.
A lot of background noise. Yes.
Now let's gear up, put this on ourselves, like so.
Let's put that right here.
Like that, and let's switch to the Rode mic right now. 3, 2, 1. And this is the audio from the Rode Wireless Go 2. How does it sound? This is really cool because we're side by side, and it doesn't matter how far the camera is now. So yeah, how does it sound? Say something. Batman, yeah.
Yeah. I can talk in the normal voice. I can talk in a Batman voice if I want to. Yeah.
I'm sure it's picking up okay. Now, while we have this mic, I want to compare it to the mic we were using earlier, okay? Imagine walking around with this setup. Hold on, guys. Imagine walking around with this setup. It still works, but maybe attracts a little more attention. But at least with the Rode Wireless Go, it's a little more discreet now too. Now the cool thing, check this out, we can be sitting here and we can be all the way back here, and the volume should remain the same. I can even go further from Ricky.
That's so
Hey
far.
Ricky.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm
amazing.
going further.
Wow.
Whoa. And the audio should still remain the same. And that's the cool thing. With a shotgun mic, you can't do this,
No, not at all.
right? And then I can go anywhere in the room. I can even turn around and I can be having a conversation with
Yeah.
Ricky, and it'll still capture the audio. Isn't that so cool, guys?
Amazing.
So we're actually gonna do a couple more tests, like maybe 2 more, right? I mean, people like to vlog maybe at events or maybe, out in the public, right?
Yeah.
And the issue with recording out in the public is there's a lot of outside surrounding noises. And so we're gonna kind of simulate that by pretending that we're having a conversation, and then there's background noise, maybe like a TV in the background, maybe someone laughing or singing in the background. Let's test that out right now, huh?
Yeah, let's
All
do
right.
that.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, so this is test number 2. Ricky and I are having a conversation. We're talking about the audio of the microphone, and we have maybe laughter in the background, someone watching the TV.
Yeah.
Can you maybe say some Batman words real quick? Let's just see if the audio will still be okay. Will it pick up the surrounding noises? Let's hear from you, Batman.
Talking like Batman. I'm Batman.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're looking for Lois Lane? Oh wait, no. Who's Batman's
I'm looking for Joker.
Joker? Hopefully this test shows you if like you're vlogging in public
With Batman.
with Batman. Maybe these mics will effectively like drown out the rest of the sound around you,
Yes.
and then be able to just focus on your voice and your whatever you're saying.
Whatever you're saying. Yeah.
Test number 3. Let's just test it out outside. It looks really windy outside today. We're gonna take this mic and we're gonna put these wind muffs, fur balls,
Little moleskin things.
and let's see if it actually drowns out the wind and it doesn't affect our audio.
Yeah.
So let's go outside and test this out.
All right.
So we're outside. It's kind of windy out here, so we really get to test out if these wind furry things will actually block out the wind. See a nice breeze right there.
Yeah, you can feel it coming. So
Hopefully it didn't spike because of the wind. Hopefully our audio is still clear. One thing I have to say, if you don't like this look, it looks funky, you can always buy a lavalier mic too, okay? And then you can put this maybe in your pocket and then feed the wire and it'll look more discreet. But for the meantime, I think we'll be okay with something like this. Doesn't look terrible. It looks like a cool necklace, right?
you can rock it.
Yeah. This is again, this is our 3rd test. Hopefully the wind is not being picked up too much. It is so windy out here. Oh my gosh. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, we're back inside. We did a couple of tests. Hopefully it kind of shows you guys what this can be put through, what the environment can be, and how your voice will still sound.
And how easy it is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No matter the circumstance, your voice will be heard. Wow, it sounds so inspirational, huh?
Yeah, pretty easy.
Yeah, let's take this off. And it didn't fall off while we were outside.
Did not. It's pretty secured, pretty easy to put on. There's 2 little dots on here to guide you where you're supposed to put it, and arrows to show you which way you're supposed to twist it. Once you have it on, it's secure.
So this is really cool. I can imagine using this for like podcasts, streaming, food vlogs. If you want to go to a restaurant, you know it's really noisy. There's like machines going off. People are ordering. Travel vlogs. This is gonna be so useful. Yeah, I'm really excited to use this out in the field. And any last remarks?
I like how it was really simple, easy to set up. One thing we didn't show was just the button. You hold the bottom button for about 3 seconds and it syncs with the main receiver box. Very easy.
I think you can even mute the mics too. Like if I press this, I think I should be muted. It might pick me up still from that, but this one should be muted. And if I press it again, it should start picking me up again. Any last words, Mr. Professional Unboxer?
As far as unboxing goes, it was relatively easy. Yeah.
Do you think the box was high quality and easy to, a lot of substance inside the box?
Oh yeah, it's a good box.
It's nice height and everything.
Yeah.
The dimensions of the cube.
The glue is pretty secured. They made sure like it's not easy to take from the stores and stuff like that. Yeah.
Any last words? I think we covered everything, guys. Thank you to all 183 subscribers. I'm just so excited to hit 200 subscribers. And yeah, I'm sorry. You can close the video out, Batman. I mean, Ricky.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. And
if you want to see Ricky again in the next vlog, give us a thumbs up. And yeah. Oh, that'd be you?
yeah. Awesome.
All right, bye guys. Bye.